Some time ago I went to a friend's recording studio. I found I had to go to the headphone amp to adjust the volume. Very inconvenient. So I made a few for him. Singer headphone controller. Now singers can easily control headphone volume. Its main component is the stereo potentiometer. Check out his pins. On the right is the input. The following is the left channel input. The middle is the output. The left and right channels are also in the same position. The one on the far left is its GND ground. In order to facilitate welding, let's design a PCB for it. Now let's solder this potentiometer to the PCB. Now solder the audio plug. I'm using a 6.35 stereo plug. Clean the impurities on it. The next step is to find the right enclosure. Make a hole for it. Okay, that's it for today. See you next time.